Today we're going to make a lacing board. You will need a piece of cardboard, a shoelace, a pen, crayons or markers, and a pair of scissors. Lacing boards are great for hand-eye coordination. We use our eyes to guide our hands in everyday tasks, and hand-eye coordination is important for visual motor integration, which is a vital base for handwriting, and eye tracking skills are important for reading. These skills can be developed through games and activities such as this one for hand-eye coordination. At the end of this video, I will show you some of the toys that we use in room 2 to help with the development of this skill. Let's get started. You can draw a shape. I drew a triangle, or you can just use, the shape that the cardboard is already in. Draw your triangle, and then you guys can color it in. I'm going to use blue because it's my favorite color. When you are all done coloring, now it's time to make the holes in the middle. Use the pen, get help from mom and dad if you need help. Use the pen and punch the little hole inside. It's going to be really small, so you're going to need help making the hole a little bit bigger, and go in from the other side too. You can keep going, make some more holes in the middle or anywhere you would like. Just make sure that they are not along the edge, because that's where we're going to cut our shape out. Once you're all done punching the holes in, it's time to cut out our shape. For my younger friends, this would be a good time to get help from mom and dad. Once we have our shape cut out, now it's time to get our shoestring. And what you have to do, you have to tie a knot at the end so that it doesn't go all the way through when we're lacing. And now you're ready to start lacing your shape. I hope everyone enjoyed making a lacing board with me. If you make one, feel free to share pictures. You can email them to me. I will leave my email at the end of this video.